we've worked in partnership with Police with Innovative Trust to bring you our campaign and make you aware of the consequences of drink drive. It affects us on yourself as an individual and on your everyday life and your working life.
This project highlights the importance of partnership working. We approached Innovative Trust with a view to looking to do some partnership work to highlight the dangers of using the mobile phone whilst driving and also drink driving as well. So it's very important for us to make sure that we get a strong message out to the communities at large, not only locally but also wider within the South West Police area.
For us, the importance of this movie was to highlight how whatever you do impacts someone else's life, even more than yours to a degree. As you saw in the movie, Oliver, the first thing he says is, "Am I in trouble?" Many people internalize things as it's their fault. You want to remove that from the equation. So hopefully this will go nationwide. It will save lives. If not, we'll bring awareness to it. And working with police was great. Neris and Keris, they gave us so much help for the whole thing. And having the use of all the facilities, that probably was the most exciting thing. Being able to film in a jail cell. I've never been in one before, so this is genius. And the flexibility that we had to do this, thanks to the South Wales Police.